Are you an AI developer looking to tap into the vast potential of AMD GPUs on Windows? Look no further. With ROCm on WSL2, you can unlock the full power of your AMD graphics card for deep learning and HPC workloads. In this video, we'll show you how to get started with ROCm on WSL2 and unleash the full potential of your GPU. So what exactly is ROCm? In simple terms, ROCm is an open-source platform that allows us to write code once and run it on any supported device. This means we can take advantage of the massive parallel processing capabilities of our GPUs without having to rewrite our code. So what are the key features of ROCm on WSL2? As we can see, it provides a unified memory model, a unified runtime environment, and support for popular frameworks like PyTorch. This means we can write our code once and run it on any supported device without having to worry about compatibility issues. So how do we get started with ROCm on WSL2? The process is straightforward. First, we need to install WSL2 and the latest version of Ubuntu. Then, we need to install the ROCm package manager and required dependencies. So what are the benefits of using ROCm on WSL2? By leveraging the power of our GPUs, we can achieve significant improvements in performance and productivity. Additionally, ROCm provides better support for emerging workloads like deep learning and HPC. And that's a wrap. In this video, we've shown you how to unleash the full potential of your AMD GPU for AI development on Windows using ROCm on WSL2. We hope that you'll join us in exploring the world of open-source GPU computing. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to join our community at #AMDevs. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like and subscribe for more content. We'll see you in the next video.